clear that there will be a bill on cryptocurrency and regulation of official digital currency for introduction in Lok Sabha, and as Honorable Finance Minister said, we should wait for the bill. But the fact is that the report, which has been mentioned in the answer, this interministerial committee was set up on 2nd November 2017. It gave its report in February 2019. The context and the growth of cryptocurrency took place actually in the last 3 years, which has increased about 10 times. So this report's relevance may not be there as much. The question of banning, whether to ban or not to ban, what kind of asset class of cryptocurrency to be banned, I will wait for the bill. But the fact remains, even if you want to ban, the regulatory capacity should be there to observe that particular, to monitor that ban. What are we doing to improve the regulatory capacity of RBI or SEBI for different kind of private or government CBDCs? Thank you so much.
I think this all will be covered under bill, Manya Mantri.
No, regulatory capacity
I'm not
is not
seeking cover to say everything is in the bill or everything may or may not be covered in the bill.
Right.
However, the issues pertaining to regulatory capacities and also the fact that it is proliferated in the last 2-3 years are well taken note of. And I can only go that far to say we've had extensive discussions on this. So I would request the Honourable Member to kindly wait to see what is going in the bill.
Thank you. Manya Neeraj Shekhar ji.
सर, जैसा कि सब लोग कह रहे हैं कि बिल आने वाला है, लेकिन बिल आने से पहले, क्योंकि एक क्रिप्टो करेंसी है बिटकॉइन, जो शुरू हुई थी $1 से आज $60,000 उसका मूल्य है, तो इससे मैं मानता हूं कि एक अनुमान जो लगाया गया भारत देश में कि करोड़ों लोगों ने इसमें निवेश किया है, इसमें पैसा अपना लगाया है और लाखों करोड़ रुपए उसमें चले गए हैं। क्या भारत सरकार उन लोगों को बताने की कोशिश कर रही है कि ये अभी सुरक्षित नहीं है, ऐसा पैसा लगा रहे हैं जो आगे उनका नुकसान हो सकता है? हमारा वित्त मंत्रालय इसमें कुछ, जब तक बिल नहीं आता तब तक समझाने की कोशिश कर सकता है ऐसे पैसों में निवेश ना करें, तो इसमें कुछ कर रहे हैं वित्त मंत्रालय?
Sir, Honourable Member Neeraj Shekhar ji and also for that matter the member from Odisha, Amar Patnaik ji, had both raised this question. Yes, the bill will come all right. But till then, definitely attempts, and I'm sure also economist Naren Jadhav ji also mentioned that, through the SEBI, through the RBI, and through once, I think, Government of India, there have been statements issued and also fairly awareness building attempt has been made to say that this is a risky area and people who are going in there be conscious as to what you're doing, and also said that this is an area yet not in complete regulatory framework. So I'm sure the House remembers that when nearly 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, when Reserve Bank of India attempted to regulate this, it was through the Supreme Court. The matter was highlighted that in the absence of a clear-cut policy, regulation by RBI also may not be proper. So that drove the attempt to have a group, and then the interministerial group worked into it, and then the policy came up, and policy was not issued out, but we are now bringing a bill and so on. So time has lapsed. In the meanwhile, it has also proliferated. At the same time, awareness issue or alert, if I can use the word, has been issued so that people are fairly cautioned that this may be a high-risk area to go in. That much has been done. Maybe more can be done on that area. I concede for Honourable Member Neeraj Shekhar's concern, but that's the point. So we are doing those little things, but then the bill is what is being keenly looked for.
Thank you, madam. Second supplementary, Manya Neeraj ji.
इसी से सभापति जी, इसी से जुड़ा हुआ है दूसरा प्रश्न भी। अभी किसी ने शायद पहले ही बोला कि कहीं आप किसी वेबसाइट पे जाइए, इंटरनेट खोलिए, तो इसके एडवर्टाइजमेंट बहुत आ रहे हैं और हमारे नौजवान साथी उसमें पैसा लगा रहे हैं। तो क्या भारत सरकार ऐसा कर रही है, इन जो एडवर्टीजमेंट आ रहे हैं इनको बंद करने का कोई उपाय हो सकता है तब तक?
बंद करने का उपाय अभी तक कुछ नहीं है, मगर जरूर कॉशन देने का, युवाओं को इस विषय में जो रिस्क है उस विषय में ध्यान दिलाने के लिए कदम उठा रहे हैं सरकार के द्वारा, सेबी के द्वारा, आरबीआई के द्वारा। जैसे मैंने कहा, इससे और अधिक मात्रा में वो कर सकते हैं, मगर अब हम इस कगार पर आ गए हैं कि हमारे बिल जल्दी आने वाला है।
धन्यवाद। माननीय सुजीत कुमार जी।
Thank you, sir. Sir, with the proliferation of crypto exchanges and the explosion of crypto transactions, it is inevitable that scams, frauds, and as Honourable Member Narendra Jadhav ji has observed, money laundering also.
माननीय उपसभापति महोदय, अभी मैडम ने एडवर्टीजमेंट्स के बारे में कहा. I want to ask madam, in the last 4 months, there are a flurry of misleading ad on TV, print media, and the social media, and they are promising heaven to the investors. And during this World Cup 2020, more than 50 crore was spent by the crypto exchange companies. तो मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि is there any plan to ban such advertisements? Because जो statements आए हैं RBI के वो किसी ने पढ़ा नहीं, केवल अंग्रेजी के अखबार में statements आ गए. So are you going to insert some advertisements prominent in all the regional and Hindi and English newspapers? Number one. Number two, that because these ads are without any disclaimer. So are you going to, is Government of India thinking of banning such advertisements which are misleading और जिसके कारण लोगों का करोड़ों रुपया नुकसान हो सकता है? इसलिए मेरा स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन है कि is Government of India contemplating to ban such misleading advertisements till the bill comes to this house? Because nobody knows this bill will come or not come. Last time also, it was mentioned in the bulletin, but it could not come into the house. तो इसलिए बैन करने के बारे में मेरा आग्रह है कि क्या सरकार विचार करेगी बैन करने के बारे में?
सुझाव.
Sir, two things. Last time also there was a bill mentioned and it didn't happen. I just want to remind honourable member, yes, last time there was a bill proposed. But subsequently, because there were other dimensions which in the real time we thought it was important to bring into the bill, that bill had been reworked. And in a way, the bill which is coming now is a new bill, but never mind, the work done on that have all been taken on board here. So intent was either we improve that bill or come with a bill which is going to be far more recent. So that intent of getting that bill at that time was there, a genuine intent. And now we are coming up with a new bill, so it's not as if the last time we just put it there, didn't want to come with one, so leading to a suspicion that this time also we are putting a bill, we may not come up with one. No, let me be clear on that the earlier attempt was definitely to come up with a bill, which the House can consider. But later, because rapidly a lot of things had to come into play, we had started working on a new bill, and this is the bill which is now being proposed. And this bill is, once the cabinet clears it, it will come here into the House. That is one thing. And second, about the misleading advertisements and about are we banning them? I want to inform the honourable member who's been a finance minister earlier in Bihar, has also been in very influential and guiding positions in the GST Council, whose advice all of us have benefited from. So I value his question. There are, with the Advertisement Standards Council of India, the ASCI, which governs all advertisements, their guidelines are being studied and the regulations that they have are all being looked into so that we can take, if necessary, some kind of a position or a decision to say how we are going to handle this. I can inform the honourable member that.
Thank you.